Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building a stable foundation. Set the sample rate to 44. 1 or 48 kHz and use 24-bit depth so you retain headroom. Once done, organize tracks. Name, color, and group drums, bass, keys for fast navigation. Make sure input levels are clean. Set preamp gain so peaks hit around -6 dB, not clipping. Then create a basic arrangement marker. Intro, verse, chorus. This keeps decisions musical, not technical, and speeds every following step. Next, refine tone and control dynamics. You start with subtractive EQ, cut mud around 200 to 500 Hz, remove harsh resonances, then gently boost presence at 3 to 6 kHz for clarity. Once done, compress each source appropriately. Choose attack and release to preserve transients on drums and slower settings for vocals. Make sends to reverb and delay buses, set wet levels around 10 to 30%, and use parallel compression on a drum bus to add weight without losing punch. Finally, polish for delivery. Create a master chain with subtle bus compression, tasteful saturation, a shelving EQ for tonal shape, and a limiter set to max -0. 3 dB. You should /B against a commercial reference at similar loudness to match tone and energy. Export as WAV or 24-bit AV for mixes. Make a 16-bit, dithered MP3 for sharing. If problems happen, mute groups to isolate, check phase relationships, and freeze tracks to reduce CPU load while you
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.